Hey, hello, this is Miss Cruz, and I am back for experiment number 3. For experiment number 3, for beaker A, it will get 200 milligrams of room temperature water. Beaker B will get 20 milligrams of hot water. So 200 at room temperature, 20 of hot water. And then again, we're going to observe to see which one will melt the ice the fastest. Is it going to be A that has more mass, more particles at 200 milligrams? Or is it going to be beaker B with 20 milligrams, much less mass, much less particles, but at a higher temperature? I don't know. Let's find out. So let me go take our measurements. 200 room temperature and 20 hot water. Okay, so let's do room temperature, 200. Okay, so you got 100. Okay, now we need to get 100 more. Okay, overshot it a bit. Now we need a little bit more. Okay, we're at 100. So now in our cup, now we have 200 milligrams of room temperature water. And I can take the temperature for you. Okay, so now I need to measure the hot water. So for the hot water, we only need 20. So again, it's going to be at the very bottom. Oh, I got it. 20 milliliters. Okay, so our room temperature water is at a little bit less than 20 degrees. About 19 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's check our hot water. Oh, I can't even take the temperature. The thermometer won't go down enough. Okay, so let me pour in this cup some hot water so I can get the temperature. Yeah, because the other one is just not enough. It won't even reach the thermometer. Okay, so in this one, where the water can reach the thermometer, we can see it's around, I want to say, 73 degrees Celsius. Okay, so room temperature water, hot water. So now we're going to pour them at the same time, and we're going to observe which one melts the ice the fastest. Will be the one with more mass, with 200, or the one with more temperature. All right, let's find out. Oh, I got to move them. Hold on. Okay, there we go. So this one has 200 at room temperature. This one has 20 hot water. You can already see a little bit of a difference in the temperatures. This one that has more water is around 15 degrees Celsius. This one that has the hot water, but definitely has more ice than water, it's like around 8 degrees Celsius. 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now let's observe them and see which one melts the ice the fastest. Is it the one with more mass or the one with more temperature? Okay, this might take a while, but we're going to hold on and see which one melts the ice the fastest, or if we can see any noticeable changes. So this one, like in experiment 2, since it only has 20 milligrams, it's not covering completely the ice. It's only pretty much covering the bottom part, not the top. This one that has 200 milligrams of room temperature water is covering more area of the ice, so the particles are interacting more with the ice. Okay, so let's see which one melted the fastest. Oh, you can already see this one. If I turn it around, you can already see it's missing a whole part there. So meaning the one with more mass is melting it much faster than the one with the hot water. Like the hot water, as I touch it, it's not hot water anymore. It transferred all its hotness, all its heat, all its energy into the ice cube, melted it a little bit, but then it just doesn't have enough energy. This one, since it has more mass, it has more energy. Even though it's at a colder temperature, at room temperature, it does have more thermal energy since it has more particles. Because remember, thermal energy depends on two things. One on mass and one on temperature. But if you have way more mass than the other, then of course this one's going to win. So, Beaker A has taken the win for experiment number 3. 200 milligrams of water melted the ice much faster than 20 milligrams of hot water. You can already see the difference. Yeah. All right, so experiment number 3, Beaker A, 200 milligrams of room temperature water has melted the ice faster than the 20 milligrams of hot water. All right, so make sure you answer your questions, and I'll see you later.
Eventually.